VAS or value-added services. VAS sales are the sales of online products at the store on behalf of a third party. The store thus acts as an agent for selling these products. Sales are rung up at the till like normal transactions and are allocated in Sigma to the sub-departments linked to the online VAS products department. There are two different options to how VAS is reconciled on easy accounts, and this is based upon which option you chose, option 1 or 2. In option 1, easy accounts has set up parameters via our orange agent function to reallocate the sales transactions to the VAS creditor automatically. Please note that these sales will not form part of the store's sales figures. The easy accounts creditor is named DC Spar Value Added Services in brackets VAS. To reconcile this creditor, the following transactions will form part of your reconciliation. The debit order transaction, which will import via the bank trigger, learn criteria has been set up. The sales transactions, which will post automatically via the orange agent. And then lastly, the journal entry for VAS commission. Debit orders are set up to run daily except for weekends and public holidays. The store can download the invoice on the online portal for the transaction detail equal to the debit order amount. Credit notes are granted for each day's VAS commission value. If you are going to do daily journals, the credit notes on your VAS statements, downloaded individually and checked, may be used for your easy accounts commission journals. An alternative to daily entries would be a gross amount captured for the whole week or month. If a gross amount is captured, the days included in your journal entry must balance back to 0 if reconciled in easy accounts. To do your journal entry in the creditor, you are going to say add debit. The contra account to select would be other income, commission received, or a dedicated VAS commission account. The description to be captured should be VAS commission received for the certain time period. You capture your commission amount and you need to take VAT on your journal entry. When you are done, process. As you can see here, once the journal is done, the transactions for this specific day balance to 0. Here is a short summary of the journal process. With option 2, the sales for VAS will post to the sales control account within easy accounts as per the Sigma sub-departments. Please note that the sales will form part of the store sales numbers. GRVs are done on Sigma for the daily VAS sales. Note that GRVs are done to each VAS sub-department at the total value sold for each day as invoiced on the store's VAS portal. To reconcile the VAS creditor, the following transactions will form part of your reconciliation. GRVs done on Sigma that imported to easy accounts and allocated to the VAS creditor. The debit order transaction, which will import via the bank trigger. Learn criteria has been set up to allocate the transaction to the VAS creditor account. And then lastly, the journal entry for VAS commission. The process to follow with option 2 is the exact same as it is with option 1. I have added a screenshot here with a short summary of how the journal process works with option 2.